Just as a wreck of friendship. Carol, Sean, would you help me, please? We want Spud to come forward. And with him coming forward, we would invite Charlie Hall to come forward. And if one of his sons or Keith, I see you out there. Keith, would you come forward, please? Once again, we thank you for being here. It gives us an opportunity to reflect upon life and the values that we have. And it gives us the opportunity to thank some of the giants who put their life on the line. Excuse me. We wish tonight, we've met as a committee. I'll go as far as to say we prayed about it, asked for direction. And it was our inspiration and answer to our prayers that we honor these two giants today. Recent birthdays, they were both of them. Spud hit big 93 on June 21st. Charlie, 91 on June 27th. What a great family. In their youth, they defended our nation. As they matured and grew and developed, they became great servants in the communities of these valleys. They helped us youngsters. They helped us when we were kids. They helped us when we were adults. What great examples. It gives us great pleasure. I appreciate Sean being here, and I'm going to invite Jason. Would you come forward, please? Jason Brubaker, one of the sponsors who have underwritten this. Faye Hatch, our mayor, would you come forward, please? Brad Click, one of our committee members, if you would come forward. We have two special gifts we'd like to give you. We put titles on these awards. To you, Grandpa Spud, it gives us great joy to present to you the Silver Spur Award. You know, when you look at the resume of Spud, he's been a contestant in our 4th of July for many years. He was a stock contractor. He and his family, representatives are here. When the LDS Church moved out of running the cattle and using them for the 4th of July, Spud and his son and other family members came forward. And then I can tell you, as far as being willing to sit here on a long, cold night to watch the team roping, there's not many folks that have logged in more hours. Spud, we love you. Thank you so much. These silver spurs don't have to be used, Spud. They can rest on the bookcase, and we thank you. Charlie, if I could brag on you, everybody needs a neighbor like Uncle Charlie Hall. He'll help you, he'll encourage you, he'll spray you with trees. He served as a bishop, guided our neighborhood, our ward. He's took a turn in guiding the celebration committee. What a great man, what a great example. He served in the South Pacific in World War II. To you who read the local paper, you can read his story. Charlie, there's much that we could say, but we're going to say it this way. I appreciate you. God bless the USA.